Please, gentlemen, order.
I did a crime, and then I did my time. But he uses illegal means and still keeps his record clean.
Sir, do we have to listen to this clown? I mean, what kind of gibberish is this? There is a development plan approved by the board. You can check it. It's all legal.
It's illegal criminal, that's what it is.
I've told you once, now I'm telling you twice. Don't push for a third, cause I'm not that nice. Hood tried to be polite, calm as can be. Any more interruptions, you deal with me.
Can't lobby in Congress for what we need. We don't have lawyers to fight his greed. You roughed us up and pushed us down.
Red, yellow, white, the black, and the brown.
Listen up, sucker, stop telling those lies. You can't even look me straight in the eyes. You're all stuck up in your paper world. Don't care nothing about the boys and the girls.
You cut our heat and you raised our rent.
If he had his way, we'd live in a tent.
And you're sitting up there trying to look all nice.
You're buying up the land for half the price.
Or flashing them dollars and talking that trash.
Anything to make more cash.
Don't you know you're only his stool pigeon? Money's become your new religion. Take off your glasses so you can see. The material God will never set you free.
The day you face yourself in the mirror is the day you see yourself a lot clearer.
The good's in you, and it's not that far.
Have faith in the real man you are.
Dwayne, wait a second.
Sure, he's got to say okay.
The main thing you fail to understand is strength in the mind marks the true man. You're all caught up in your macho form, like a puppet on a string, dancing to the norm. If you look inside, I know you'd see the better man that you could be. If we all pull together and just stay true, I know we could do it. We can start anew. Rebuild our dreams to make it right. It won't be easy, but it's worth the fight.
The bottom line of the situation is the land belongs to this congregation.
But we can't stop, won't stop. Climbing that mountain till we reach the top. But we can't stop, won't stop. Climbing that mountain till we reach the top. But we can't stop, won't stop. Climbing that mountain till we reach the top. But we can't stop, come on, won't stop. Hey, climbing that mountain till we reach the top. But we can't stop, won't stop. Climbing that mountain till we reach the top. But we can't stop, come on.